Well, the vision of Whakatohia Social and Health Services is whanau ora, hapu ora, ka ora ai te iwi, which is the whanau as well, then the hapu will be well and the iwi will thrive. And for us, the measure of success is if our iwi is thriving. If whanau are actually participating within their hapu, if they're participating on their marae, to us that's a measure of success. We still have a ways to go in that, because even though, you know, over the last 3 or 4 years we've run a number of surveys with our whānau, social wellbeing surveys, cultural, you know, what are the cultural needs of our people, and education surveys, and all these have shown that whakatohia people who certainly live within our in Opotiki are very proud of who they are and their heritage. However, there is still something of a disconnect with their participation on the marae, and I think that's just, you know, certainly in my parents' time and my grandparents' time that didn't exist. So I think that's maybe a sign of the times and a need for us to be more concerted in how we can reconnect our whānau back to their marae and to their hapu.